Get in front of us.
No.
I gotta like put my muffs up because I can't hear anything.
Let's keep going this way.
I'll do this. So.
Hey, you guys come over here.
Bro, I forgot what it's like.
You come here. Come here.
What's up?
Sir, you're being detained. Come here. Yep, we got you. Come here. You get in front of me. I don't trust you. Are you a terrorist?
No, I was with them the entire time.
Okay, you're in front of us. You terrorist? Alright, start walking that way.
Start walking that way?
Yep, everybody's gonna start walking this way. We're playing the field.
I like that version of
Let's go in the power building.
Why you not trust me?
I don't trust anybody right now. That's not him.
I'm okay.
Keep going that way.
I'll give you my pistol if I'm a terrorist.
Great.
Fuck you. I'm not the terrorist.
You can keep going in front of me.
Yeah, I'm gonna put my thing in my holster.
Come here.
Hey, man.
Come here. Are you a terrorist? Good. Start walking that way. You're deputized.
Huh?
You're deputized. Start walking that way.
Look how sus I am.
You guys, come here. You too. You two, come here. You guys terrorists? Great.
Go gangbangers.
Deputized. Start walking that way. You guys are deputized. You're my security force. Come here. You terrorists? Great. Start walking that way.
Wait, so I'm still confused on how this game works.
Two people. There's two terrorists. We don't know who they are. And it's them versus us, but we don't know who they are.
Okay, so then the detective.
And then they're the detectives.
Everyone's gonna be in front of me. I don't trust them. None of you.
And then Tony's the detective. That's sus. You're kind of sus. What's the point in me having a gun if I can't shoot the terrorists?
Paul, get over here. I don't trust you to save my life.
Hey, just don't shoot me. Just tell me I'm dead. I'll take it.
I'm keeping my gun trained on everybody.
Tony's the terrorist.
Dude, I'm literally the deputy. That would suck.
This game mode is kind of dog water, but it's fun.
Well, if we keep them in a group, they can't do something stupid.
Yeah, I'm not the terrorist.
Good job. Hey, detective, we got some guns. We got some boys. Oh, we got somebody in there, huh?
Oh, who is it?
Get
It's
him
not
out
me.
there. You're from me. You're from me.
What's up? You want to become Africa's slave?
What we got?
Who's in here?
Get out.
Hey, man.
What's up?
Hi, Tobin.
We're innocent, don't worry.
We're hiding. You're walking around real sketchy. Come here.
Can I shoot him?
Come here.
Can I shoot him?
Yeah, you. Come here. You too. Both of you, come here.
I guarantee he's the terrorist.
Both of you, come here.
I'm hiding behind him.
Shoot them! Kill both of them. They're on the kill list. Get them. Go. Get them. Not you and me. Go get them.
Broom, broom. Leave it to the speed stopper to get him. I can't trust anyone.
Yeah. Your asses came up from
I wanna
behind me.
stay
I
here.
don't trust you now. Let's go.
Alright.
Well, let's go. Mr. Richard.
He's sus. And him.
Keep going, guys.
There's a couple guys over there.
All right, let's keep that. Those are probably our guys. Let's go get them.
Go.
Vroom, vroom. Yes.
I'm locking this door.
Yep, let's go this way. Let's go this way. the body. Right here. Let me check it.
Here, you have your teddy bear
The
back.
body.
I'm not your body suit right there. He's right there.
He's down.
No joke. Is he dead?
What were you? Not a terrorist. This way, please. All right, let's go towards that light. Go this way.
Paul. You died?
Sorry.
Here, Paul. Take your thing. You're sus. Here, have your thing back. I decided I don't want it.
Are you dead? You're with me, bro. Huh? Yeah? Okay. Where'd you get it? Alright, my group, this way. I'm gonna follow his body. I'm gonna check him. Are you dead?
Wait, am I allowed to shoot anyone? Am I allowed to shoot everyone?
No,
So what's the point of having a gun?
you shoot the terrorists.
But how do I know who's the terrorist?
They're shooting at other people. They're over there.
Oh, you know who it is?
Um,
Move in the front. Move in front.
Do we just walk around though?
Well, if I see
I
some,
don't trust you guys. Come on.
must be what?
Walk to the left.
watch out. Watch this over there.
Keep moving. You a terrorist? Whoever's shooting over here is a terrorist. I want Kevin, you clear that. Clear it. Go. I trust you. Clear it. Are you dead? Very dead. You're dead? Okay.
Paul died.
Are you a terrorist? All right, come on. Let's go. That was clear? All right. Reach this front room. Let's go clear this out. Check the refrigerator for me too, please.
Keep an eye on that building.
They'll open the fridge.
Watch over there. To your right. To your right.
All right. Front part of this room, please. Check behind that little half wall. Open. All right. Keep moving. Let's go to the breaching room on that side.
Yeah, go down this way.
They're authorized. They're with me. They're good. Are you dead? Let's check this. Yeah, let's check the breaching room. This way, sir. You're walking away from the room, but I'm not liking this. Everybody by the wall is dead. By the wall? They're dead already. You checked them? I pushed them to the wall already. Alright. Get in there, guys. Let's go. I have not killed anybody yet, but I interrupted people to kill people. We're still missing the guy. I can't remember what the hell he's wearing. Check this room. Everybody. 1, 2, 3, 4. We haven't killed any of the terrorists.
Are you the terrorist?
No. Are you?
No, I promise. I want to go up here.
Alright, let's go to the station.
Police brutality.
Police station.
Police brutality.
Bad mom.
Hey, watch it. Your buddy just took off a little bit there. Hey guys, police station's this way. Yep. Go
I didn't know that.
Yep, go in there. Let's go.
too heavy.
All I got to do is keep the study going, so I'll send this content out. If you're a terrorist, you want me to move, that's on you.
Hey, dude, Dark Blue's tearing.
Push to the right, go in here, go in here. Let's go get him.
Hit. Oh, we go over there.
You guys dead? Yes, sir. Really? Yep. I know exactly who that was. Well, we'll go back to the park.
You banged it over. I was going to just shoot him. I didn't want him to shoot me, so I'm like, thanks for banging.
I know who it
Are you
is.
dead?
Yeah, I'm dead.
Yeah, like.
Well, I know who one of them was.
Well, I know who shot me.
I knew it was you. I just didn't feel like shooting. Oh, okay, there. So it's the ball. I knew it was you wanted to get the first shot.